What if you could reach thousands, even millions of potential customers without leaving your office? Welcome to the world of digital marketing, a realm where boundaries are blurred and opportunities are vast. Digital marketing has been a game changer, revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. It's a dynamic, evolving landscape that has turned the traditional marketing model on its head. No longer are businesses confined to their local markets. Today, they can reach out to a global audience at the click of a button. The power of digital marketing lies in its ability to target and engage with potential customers on a scale that was previously unimaginable. It's about creating meaningful connections, nurturing relationships, and driving customer loyalty. But like any tool, digital marketing is only as good as the hands that wield it. Mastering the art of digital marketing is no easy feat. It requires a strategic approach, a deep understanding of your audience, and a commitment to continuous learning. Digital marketing has the potential to transform your business, but only if you know how to harness its power effectively. Consider the case of Brand X, a small business that managed to become a major player in its market through effective digital marketing. Brand X, like countless others, started its journey as a small-scale business with a limited budget and a dream to make a mark. But what set Brand X apart was its strategic use of digital marketing. To start with, Brand X focused on search engine optimization, or SEO. They understood that being visible is key in the digital world. By targeting specific keywords related to their business and optimizing their website, they ensured that they appeared in the top search results when potential customers were looking for products or services similar to theirs. This increased their visibility manifold, drawing in a steady stream of new customers. But Brand X didn't stop at SEO. They dove headfirst into content marketing. They created valuable and engaging content that resonated with their target audience. This wasn't just about selling their products, but about building a relationship with their audience. Their content was informative, entertaining, and above all, useful. This not only helped in attracting new customers, but also in retaining the existing ones, fostering a sense of loyalty and boosting their sales. And then there was their social media campaign. Brand X understood the power of social media in today's world. They leveraged various platforms to engage with their audience, respond to their queries, and create a community around their brand. They used these platforms to showcase their products, share their content, and interact with their customers, creating a two-way communication that strengthened their brand-customer relationship. Brand X's journey is a perfect example of how a well-planned and executed digital marketing strategy can transform a small business into a major player. They started small, but with the right strategies, they managed to attract new customers, increase their sales, and make their mark in their market. Brand X's success is a testament to the power of digital marketing when used correctly. So what can you learn from Brand X's success? Well, it all boils down to the power of a well-orchestrated digital marketing strategy. Brand X demonstrated how a robust plan, when executed effectively, can transform a business. They harnessed the potential of search engine optimization, putting their brand at the fingertips of their target audience. But it didn't stop there. They understood the value of content marketing, creating engaging and valuable content that resonated with their audience, driving brand awareness and customer loyalty. And let's not forget the impact of their social media campaigns. By strategically using these platforms, Brand X connected with their audience on a more personal level, fostering trust and building relationships. The transformative effect of digital marketing on businesses is undeniable. And as we've seen with Brand X, it can lead to remarkable success. In the digital age, understanding and leveraging digital marketing is not just an option, it's a necessity for businesses of all sizes.